Welcome to our channel Money Mentor. Today we are here to discuss how to save money efficiently. Here are 10 key points which will help you understand this topic in detail. Number 1. Track expenses. Monitor your spending habits and track where your money is going. This will help identify areas where you can cut back and save. Number 2. Create a budget. Make a monthly budget, outlining your income, fixed expenses, and discretionary spending. Stick to your budget to save money effectively. Number 3. Automate savings. Set up automatic transfers from your checking account to a separate savings account. This ensures that you save a portion of your income consistently. Number 4. Cut back on unnecessary expenses. Identify discretionary expenses like eating out, entertainment, or subscriptions that can be reduced or eliminated to save money. Number 5. Evaluate subscriptions and services. Regularly review subscriptions and services you pay for. Cancel those that are not used frequently or consider cheaper alternatives. Number 6. Compare prices. Before making any significant purchases, compare prices from different sellers or websites to ensure you get the best deal. Number 7. Minimize impulse buying. Avoid impulsive purchases by practicing mindful spending. Wait for a day or two before buying something to determine if it's a necessity or a fleeting desire. Number 8. Reduce energy consumption. Implement energy-saving practices like turning off lights when not in use, using energy-efficient appliances, and properly insulating your home. This helps lower utility bills. Number 9. Prioritize saving. Treat saving money as a priority, allocating a fixed percentage of your income towards savings before spending on other items. Number 10. Invest wisely. Explore investment options such as stocks, mutual funds, or real estate to make your savings grow over time. Seek professional advice to make informed investment decisions. Thank you for watching the video. If you liked the video, kindly subscribe to our channel The Money Mentor and click on the like button. Our next video will be based on the topic 10 points outcome of efficient money saving. So don't miss the video or any update, and make sure to subscribe for more such content on financial education.